Here I've got Realme 6 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to sound and vibration and now select ringtone. And here you got all the ringtones that you can apply, so let me show you all of the options, starting with its REALME. And then you can also use some from the alerts. And then just pick the one that you want to apply. So let me choose, for example, Dreams. Then let's go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.